The days of cleaning up after the children could soon be over, as Dyson is developing a household robot that can tidy away toys and find crisps down the back of the sofa. Robots have long thrived in industrial settings where they perform tasks that are repetitive, dangerous, or require a level of precision that humans are unable to achieve. However, to date, robots have struggled to find a place in the household. Science fiction has long suggested that people would welcome the arrival of robots, like Rosie from the Jetsons or R2-D2 from Star Wars, into their homes. But technology has yet to deliver on that promise. So, in today's video, we'll look into how Dyson will change the entire world with robots. Before we proceed, kindly subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated when we release new videos. Without further delay, let's dive in. To begin with, you've heard of Dyson because of their vacuum cleaners or the too powerful dryer you've been curious about while waiting for a flight. Maybe you've seen their fans or hair dryers before. Air-moving Dyson devices are among the best in the industry. Basically, if they don't suck, they blow. The firm, founded by billionaire Sir James Dyson, has lately added a face-mounted air purifier. Dyson made a point of highlighting some of the research that went into the creation of the device. It gave a glimpse inside the company's laboratories, giving a sneak peek into the future of goods that go beyond vacuum cleaners. It turns out that robots fall within this category. Robots are nothing new for the corporation. There was a time 20 years ago when Dyson was developing its first self-cleaning vacuum cleaner, the Dyson DC-06. It was a success, but Dyson had to scrap the device because of its short battery life and high price tag. After 12 years, the Dyson i360 robot vacuum was finally shown to the public in 2013. It's still a part of Dyson's floor cleaning product lineup. Dyson recently exhibited secret robot prototypes at the International Conference on Robotics and Automation in Philadelphia. As part of larger research it has managed to keep under wraps so far. A robot arm that resembles smaller industrial versions from industries like ABB was brought out during the event. On the surface, the attachments are a significant distinction here. A human-like hand with soft graspers, and of course, a suction attachment is all part of the package. A robot vacuum, for example, isn't a one-trick pony, as the company points out. It requires a surprising amount of visual processing, AI, and autonomy. To be sure, this isn't just a baby step. From an investing sense, this might be much more significant than that. Dyson plans to establish the UK's biggest robotics research facility at its Hullington airfield property, which is located near the company's design headquarters in Malmesbury, Wiltshire. For those who choose to work in London and Singapore, there are additional options. His net worth is estimated to be £23 billion by the Sunday Times. James Dyson controversially relocated his company's headquarters to Singapore early in 2019. He had previously advocated for British manufacturing following Brexit, which he endorsed strongly. It had been envisioned that the Hullington facility would be used to manufacture an electric vehicle. Dyson's automobile project was shelved at the prototype stage due to financial problems, despite early optimism that it may be their next great thing. For the years 2020 through 2025, Dyson, which has sales of $6 billion and profits before various expenses of $1.5 billion in 2021, has indicated it would invest $2.75 billion on new goods and research technologies such as robots and batteries, including £600 million this year. Half of Dyson's new employees in 2022 will be engineers, the company stated during the International Conference on Robotics and Automation in Philadelphia. Over the next 5 years, it expects to hire another 700 robotics engineers in sectors including computer vision, machine learning, sensors, and mechatronics. A developing market for robotic vacuum cleaners is the only evidence that robots have entered the house in any major manner. But this industry is still a small one. Industrial robots are often designed to do a particular job, resulting in a wide variety of robots on an assembly line. A kitchen with many robots, each doing a separate task, is a recipe for disaster. Ideally, we'd want to be able to rely on it to do whatever task we give it. Cleaning floors has been shown to be the only area where robots in the house have proven to be a benefit. These days, RoboVacs are quite good at removing dust from carpets, as well as mopping, while being able to stow away when they're done and require a recharge. In contrast, past efforts to create small mobile domestic robots that can move about the house have failed to win over customers. No one knows what Amazon's Astro is useful for, except for breaching privacy and gathering data. In terms of security, it is significantly more effective, inexpensive, and less obtrusive to use sensors and cameras. Is there a service that provides delivery of beverages? Astro is unable to open the refrigerator. The ability to follow you around like a dog with a smart speaker on wheels? This was not requested. Robotics aren't simply for cleaning floors, Dyson has lately demonstrated. Some 700 new robotics engineers are being sought by Dyson as part of a recruitment drive, and the business has published a film to coincide with the International Conference on Robotics and Automation, ICRA. Dyson has sponsored PhD robotics research at London's Imperial College for the last decade, according to the video. Using 3D mapping, a robotic arm with a vacuum attached can perceive a chair and subsequently clean it, which solves a problem with today's robot vacuums, which can only clean floors. Demonstrations like these may help those who have mobility issues or other disabilities who aren't able to conduct some household duties, as they will readily benefit from having more proficient robots around the house. That's where we'll likely see domestic robots initially gain traction, as assistive gadgets that can aid with tasks before ultimately developing into robots capable of doing much more, as seen in the video. The first consumer-ready robots that do more than just clean floors might be Dyson's. It seems that the firm is prepared to invest a significant amount of money in research and development to make this a reality. But even it concedes that it will be another decade before household robots can do more than merely suck up dirt. Despite the fact that he has previously introduced multiple robotic vacuums, his best-selling models are still cordless handheld vacuum cleaners. According to Jake Dyson, the son of the company's founder who now works as the chief engineer for the business, this is a big bet on future robotic technology that will drive research across the whole of Dyson. This research will be conducted in areas such as mechanical engineering, vision systems, machine learning, and energy storage. Okay, tech fans, that's all I have for you guys today. We appreciate you being able to join us. If you liked watching this video, please make sure to click the like button, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell icon so that you'll be notified when we upload a new video. Thanks for watching.